Hi guys, and welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Hot Wheels RC Tesla Roadster. Includes one track. Motor skills, durable, fuels imagination. 5 pluses from Mattel's back, 2 ways to play. Rechargeable. Let's open it up.
I think that's like a smokestack or something there. And we spin it around carefully, and inside here there is Barnacle Boy, so I have to put the sticker there, and then a little picture of a boat with some clouds right there, and then we have a table and chairs, some rocking chairs, and then a couch with some windows right here. What do you call it? Those little, they call it those dog right here. And of course a little door that we can pull down there as well. It's not designed to swing open, but I think this is all kind of cool with this thing.
Here's the instructions.
Just a nice little plastic molded mini figurine of SpongeBob, and it's a nice representation of SpongeBob. This is a really cool one. So no moving bits, like I said. It just kind of like stands there in that pose. And of course we have some extra stickers right here. So you got part of the SpongeBob laying around for next time you catch the little jellyfish. So you can use these to decorate however you see fit. Very cool. And then here is the little jellyfish stand. So you got the clear translucent plastic. Here it's all pink. Made of like little jellyfish. And some little floral stuff here. And then a little jellyfish fields side, like a little wood side. Let's spin it around and get it back here. Very nice. I like the clear plastic. Really looks very nice. Of course, we have the green base. Most of the other ones are yellow, but this one's green. And that's about it. So you can actually take SpongeBob and place him on here. He actually fits on there, like so you want to display him. So kind of goes like, and that's about it. So there you go. It's SpongeBob and the jellyfish fields. And there you have it, everyone. Nickelodeon's SpongeBob SquarePants. So 10 amazing little toys released by McDonald's back in 2021. I'm in love with this set.
Here's the car.
If you're into SpongeBob and you like collecting all the different sets and stuff, you gotta get this one for sure. This is one of the coolest Happy Meal sets I've remembered for a long time. It's all your favorite characters. Every little
We need batteries.
Do you need triple A or double A? I can't find the app.
No, I got it. Someone wants to drive it?
This is such a good boy. You're a good boy. How you feeling? The medicine's gonna make you feel so much better.
What's up, all you beautiful people out there? Fast and Toy News here. Today we have Fox Very Cool for Imaginary Friends 39 awesome looking toys released by Burger King back in 2005. Let's get them opened up and have a closer look. Okay, so the first one up is quite interesting. It requires some Play-Doh or some kind of molding tray. Unfortunately for me, I have tons of Play-Doh stuff laying around, so I had a whole unopened brand new box of Play-Doh that we can use because we have an Eduardo here that came with this little thingy, and it's a little container, it's like a molded container that has Play-Doh in it, or molded tray, if you will. So as you can see, you know, he's almost 20 years old, so I don't think that's maybe goes on his face. So anyway, here it is right here. So you're supposed to here and then something here. So I figured why not? We'll just grab this one. Looks like it's green. I think why not? Why not green? So let's see. I'm not the best with Play-Doh stuff, but I figured this will be fun. Yeah, I can't even figure it out. Get out of there. All of it. I'm like, dang it, hard. Okay, so yeah, so I think okay, so let's do this. Let's push it. You get it nice and warm and mushy. You kind of roll it around your hand a little bit. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do this. And let's see. So I want to just make it a ball. So let's make it a little ball. Okay, so we got a little ball. And so there's a little bit of instructions here. So it shows you exactly what you need to do. So hopefully, down the work.
Do you do batteries?
Get this
Are you
right.
looking for brand
So
new batteries
let's do
that
this.
work? Okay.
We're just kind of.
What I need you to do is I need you to take those batteries
Yeah,
out,
we're gonna
throw them in the
squish this
trash.
out.
And
And let's see if we can do this.
throw them in the trash.
So let's try not to mess this up. So it looks like we have some horns.
Yeah, you need a bigger one.
What
Pull
size?
this apart.
The
I'm not gonna
double A.
do it.
You need
Best
those
I
weights?
can.
Yeah,
You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm
This is
saying?
great.
Yeah, this
I'm
small,
already,
you need a bigger one.
I'm already letting this set. So bear with me. And this isn't gonna be the best, but I think we did okay. Okay, so now we take the horns. Let's say these two hands here. We place them on his back here.
Yeah, but
Like
it's
this.
like another one.
I didn't ask you to get it
Like
done.
so.
Well, I think
We
we have.
separate them. Let's put one on one side, put one on the other. This is great. I'll be honest with you, I'm not the best at crafting. Like when it comes to this stuff, but I think I'm doing okay. So I think we got it. So there, we use green. Now, obviously, there's little white ones there, other green ones for us, and orange, yellows, blues, even purple. But I like because it was right. I don't know why I went with green. Okay, so now there's more to this. So as you can see on the top of the container, there's another molded piece. So let's switch this up, and we'll make another little ball here. How we doing? What do you think? Let me know. Any recommendations on how to play with Play-Doh? Okay, so we're gonna put this here, and then we'll do this. And let's see, did I do it right? What is that? Like, I'm trying to understand this. So I'm guessing, like, I'm not sure. Let's look at the picture. Work with me together here. So it shows the face there with no eyes, and then right there it has eyes. So is it just eyes? Or a little tail? Is that what that is? Okay, so I think I know what's going on here. See, I'm winging it here. This is like a new adventure we're sharing together. So that's what it is. It's an eye there, an eye there, and then a tail. So that's what we're doing here. So we probably don't need as much of the Play-Doh as I thought. We probably need less. So let's put some away there. Make a smaller little ball. And I think we can do this. This is going to be the world's longest video, by the way. So, hang in there. Okay, so I think we got it on there. Just like that. So now we push it on, form a mold. Oh, I pushed on it really hard. And let's see what we got. So I think that's better. I don't know. I think we may have used a little too much. And you know what really helped with this? There's like a little cutter. What do I have? Let me reach over here, and let's see what I have.
For
scissors. Have you ever seen anybody use scissors with Play-Doh? So this is what we're going to do. Watch this. Watch me go. I'm going to cut out the little mold with some scissors, because I'm concentrating so hard. Go ahead, you can laugh all you want. I don't mind. But we're going to make this work. Some way, somehow, I think we can do this together. So, see, it's working so far. We're getting rid of the excess. I'm having a good time, guys. I'm laughing. I'm shaking my arm, I'm shaking around my heel. So we just take our time. And so. Okay, I think we're getting there. Okay, do not attempt this at home. Do it the right way. This is probably not the right way you want to do this. But we're making it work, right, folks? Okay.
Let's see if it works.
I think we're getting somewhere. I got these giant hands, and I'm trying not to squish up the eyes and the tail and everything. But I think we're almost there. Okay, let's try this. So we have an eye here. So we have an eye there. We got another eye. And I don't think it's like which side the eye is on. This is only actually, so we'll get rid of this. And then here's this little tail. We'll do this. Shake that up a little bit. And then we'll get the tail. And I guess you just go over here. You just put it on like you did. You just put it on like that. I don't think I'm doing too bad. What do you guys think? Fun though. But I think we got it. Look at this. I think we did all right. Look at that. We got the horn. We got the eyes. And there's this little tail on the back, which I think
If I really like that Tesla RC car, it's something. It's probably the coolest thing ever. We never talk about Hot Wheels RC, but this is the one that drives along and do kinds of stuff, do kinds of stunts. But and remote control is kind of cool that does like that. But it's kind of the cool. It's kind of the one. It's kind of fun to do it. Thanks for watching, Boston. The Hot Wheels RC Tesla Roadster remote control. Bye.